8:25 a.m. and I'm eating tuna and drinking Broca just for Maris takbo. And this tuna is spicy as heck. Oh my god. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I should not be doing this. It said to eat a light meal before running. This is definitely not a light meal, so yeah. Morning. It is 4 a.m. in the morning, if you guys could see. I look so absurd right now. So Maris is having a Maris Takbo fun run and I've been wanting to join. I've been indecisive, inconsiderate, and now we're here joining because one of the alumni has forced me to join. So yeah, here we are, and I think I'm not really regretting any piece of it. Maybe I am. I'm so tired. You guys can see in my eyes right now. Oh my god. Well, yeah, I'm about to go in a sec. The program starts at 4. We have to arrive there before like 4:15. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. This is what I'm just gonna be bringing. A fanny pack, because Ulrich suggested me to wear a fanny pack, and I was like, okay, that's actually very smart. Okay, I'll see you guys when I'm at the venue. One down, dito na siya. Si Mark's sa CR daw. Asan siya? Waiting for him. Kanina pa akong 4 nandito. It's now 5 a.m. I miscalculated the time. Good morning.
Thank you. Sorry.
Good morning.
Saan pwedeng lagay? Sige lang.
Aga pa. Wait lang, pawis reveal. Pawis reveal. Pawis na siya. Reaction na rin. Okay pa ako. Kasama ko sila tatakbo. This is so bad! The angle is so bad! I literally had my tripod the whole entire time in my fanny pack in this video during the run. It was bulging out of my fanny pack, and for some reason I didn't use it. I think I may have forgot, or I just wasn't really using it at all. Like, I don't really know why. I brought it and I just didn't even use it. What kind of a YouTuber am I? Na-appeal kasi. Kaya pagkatapos ako. Woo! Kahit I'm struggling! Woo! Alright! You can do this! Ito yung motor station! Kita nyo yan, di ko alam kung kita nyo, pero basta yan na! On your left! I got it! Boys at the toy with the price, you know that I'm about it! Killing me slow out the window. I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below. Thank you. Thank you. Pero parang kailangan ko yata ng bote. Boy, ayun guy. Yung guys, sana tatanungin ko kung may CR ba dito eh. Okay, let's go. I feel regenerated. Shield potion, Fortnite. Uy, uphill na naman! Grabing 5km, naiinis ako sa inyo. Naiinis ako. Kita niyo ba yung dinadaanan namin?
Wala,
Kita niyo yan? Pataas, oh. Pataas.
4 to go.
Sa tingin nyo ba? Kaya namin to? Hindi! Woo! Okay.
Para ka lang nag 1 km 5 times. Isipin mo yun. Madali lang yun. 1 km. Nagawa mo na siya, di ba? O 5 times na lang ulitin. 4 times na lang.
Hindi ako nakikinig sa'yo. Hindi ako makinig sa'yo. Okay, we're not running. Lalakad talaga tayo. Kita niyo yan? Be, papuntang Baguio na yan. Ulrich, kita mo ba yung buhok ko? This is not it. No. Not it. Oh my God. Okay. This is not giving.
Alam niyo ba? Naka 2K plus na kami.
3 na ata eh. 3 na ata.
3 na? Wala pa.
Feeling ko. Gusto ko na matapos eh.
Kawawa na sariling luta.
Oh God. Yung mga nag-fail. Tignan nyo naman sila. Naglaro na. Naglaro na sila. Fail na guys.
Tapos na po kami.
Pag,
Tapos na talaga namin yung buong takbo. Oo.
Be, 5 km pinili mo, hindi 3 ah.
Oo. Tapos na kami. Oo. Resting na lang kami. Nasa resting period na lang kami. Chill na lang.
Finisher na po kami.
Hoy, lika na daw. Punta na daw kayo.
Tapos na po kami. Di ba sir, tapos na tayo. Dito na tayo. Wait, teka lang. Iniwan na ako ng kasama ko.
Nagulat ako, sinupulat ako. Hindi ka naman tumatakbo, sir eh.
Tumatakbo!
And go guys! Papansin dito, kita nyo yan? May papansin, no? Nakakainis ka. Nandito ka pero hindi ka tumatakbo, nakakainis ka?
May plus points pa to sa pag.
Pag ako,
Ba't pa rin eh?
uy, may tricycle.
Yeah.
Sir, wait lang, may tricycle! Maris na yan, no? Maris na to. Maris na to. Malapit na. Okay. Excited. We're gonna die. Almost done. Nilakad na lang namin. Try kayo mag 5 km. Kumakatapaan namin eh. And nobody and all of us a wizard that there is or was is ever gonna bring me down. Ayoko na! Okay. Ay, natapos kami!
Si Ayos nagpaiwan talaga.
Ayos, asan ka?
Okay, Rick.
Ito 39 kasi kami dalawa.
Holding hands daw for the finish line.
Oh, ito pala yung finish line.
57 minutes tayo.
Okay, kayo masabayaw.
Paano, Ulrich? Ano, ang daming tao. My left leg hurt like really bad. I can walk, but like really weird. But yeah, I'm gonna shower and I'll see you guys. I'll do the outro later. I in fact didn't do the outro for today's video. I told myself that after I shower, I was going to film an outro for the vlog, but I didn't do one because my legs and my whole body were all timed out, and it was so I was dying. It was not good at all. So yeah, that's what happened to me, really. Maris Takbo was a very interesting event to join in. It was something that I never really expected for me to enjoy and like have fun, because again, one of the two alumni, Ayas and Ulrich, just you know, persuaded me to to join in and things like that. So yeah, it was really fun. I really enjoyed the run. But I do remember after the run, when I got in the tricycle, my left leg started to hurt. Like, you guys know that feeling where your hamstring hurts, like when you stretch in bed and then it starts hurting, like real pain, like real unbearable pain. That's what I was feeling, and it was so terrible that I had to hang my left leg at the end of the tricycle, and then when I was about to stand up, I couldn't stand up. Like, the guy, like the tricycle driver, was laughing, and then he helped. He was like, just stretch it out, you're fine. And yeah, and I was like walking like I was a broken leg person. It was not good at all. And then after that, I just couldn't walk properly. Like I was walking really bad like the whole entire day. And then the next day I had La Salle entrance exam, and for some reason I managed to not hurt my legs at the next day. I don't know why, but I ran. I'm telling you guys, I ran, but I walked a lot as well. I ran and I walked a lot as well, and for some reason my legs didn't hurt the next day, which I was really a little, you know, really crazed out about. But yeah, that's all. I really enjoyed Manastakbo. My friend Yuan did really tell me that after Manastakbo he was really motivated to run again, and I gotta be honest, but I really got motivated to run again. So maybe in the new year I will start jogging and run to get physically fit and mentally fit. No, physically fit only. What am I saying? But yeah, that's all. That's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know by giving the video a like and comment down below, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys miss any videos of me. My name is Wavy Wham, or Wham the Guzman, and I will see you guys later on my next vlog. I had so much fun in Manastakbo. Bye.